Get out of bed. Stop being depressed. I know it feels hopeless right now because you've got to keep going back to that 9-to-5 job that you hate and that you dread getting up every single morning. I know. My name's Tracy. I'm 57. I worked in the corporate world for over 41 years. I'm here to tell you there's a solution. You can work from home now. With online digital marketing, there's a way out. I've got the solution. Just give me a few minutes. Today, I work from home. I only have to put in 2 hours of income earning activity a day. I have an automated business that runs on autopilot. Okay, so you don't know what automation is. I'll teach you. I have a program that teaches you step by step how to create your own online business, how to market it, how to automate it, and how it comes with 4 amazing products that you can market at 100% profit. Yeah, that's right. 100% profit in your pocket. And there will be days you can make daily pay. So you don't have to be depressed anymore. Get out of bed. Let's go. And let's get you back in the saddle. If you're interested in what I'm talking about, put yes in the comments.